Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we have a highly requested video for you. The number one high-intensity interval training exercise that burns the most body fat. We are going to discuss what this exercise is, benefits, and how to properly do it. So, come on and join us as we dive into the world of HIIT and its powerful effects on the body. So, let's get started. What is high-intensity interval training? High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a type of exercise that alternates between intense bursts of activity and periods of low-intensity recovery. It's a versatile and effective workout method that's known for delivering impressive results in a short amount of time. The fat-burning process. When it comes to burning body fat, high-intensity interval training takes the crown. The intense bursts of activity push your body into a state where it uses stored fat as its primary fuel source. Even better, HIIT increases your post-exercise oxygen consumption, keeping your metabolism elevated long after the workout is over. How to properly do high-intensity interval training. To get the most out of HIIT, follow these steps. Warm up. Start with a gentle warm-up to prepare your body for the workout. Intensity and duration. Alternate between 20 to 30 seconds of high-intensity exercises and 20 to 30 seconds of low-intensity or rest periods. There are different types of exercises that you can do. Incorporate a variety of movements like sprints, burpees, and jump squats. Have a cool down. Finish with a proper cool down and stretching to avoid injuries. Frequency. Aim for 3 to 4 high-intensity interval training sessions per week, allowing rest days in between. Who can do high-intensity interval training? HIIT is suitable for a wide range of people, from beginners to advanced athletes. However, if you have any pre-existing medical conditions, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any exercise program. What HIIT does to abdominal fat? When it comes to targeting stubborn belly fat, HIIT is a powerful tool. The high-intensity bursts stimulate the burning of abdominal fat more effectively than steady-state cardio. So, what is the number one high-intensity interval training exercise that burns the most body fat? Drum roll, please. The top high-intensity interval training exercise for burning the most body fat is the burpee. Burpees are a full-body exercise that combines a squat, push-up, and jumping, engaging multiple muscle groups at once. This explosive movement boosts your heart rate and torches calories, making it the perfect fat-burning exercise. How to do a burpee. 1. Begin standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. 2. Lower your body into a squat position and place your hands on the ground in front of you. 3. Kick your feet back into a plank position and perform a push-up. 4. Jump your feet back to the squat position and stand up. 5. Jump into the air, raising your arms above your head. 6. Repeat the movement as quickly as possible while maintaining good form. High-intensity interval training and cardiovascular health. HIIT improves heart health by pushing your heart to work harder during the intense phases, leading to better circulation and increased heart strength. This type of training can lower blood pressure and decrease your risk of heart disease. High-intensity interval training effects on the body. HIIT has a myriad of positive effects on your body. Benefit number 1. Increased calorie burning. Benefit number 2. Improved cardiovascular health. Benefit number 3. Enhanced insulin sensitivity. Benefit number 4. Maintenance of muscle mass. Benefit number 5. Increased energy levels. Benefit number 6. Better strength and flexibility. Benefit number 7. Improved bone density. Benefit number 8. Boosted immune function. Benefit number 9. Reduced triglycerides. High-intensity interval training and calorie burning. The high intensity of HIIT workouts allows you to burn more calories in a shorter period. This method is more efficient than traditional steady-state cardio and leads to a higher post-workout calorie burn. High-intensity interval training and insulin resistance. HIIT helps improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. By increasing your body's ability to use glucose effectively, HIIT can help prevent and manage conditions like type 2 diabetes. High-intensity interval training and muscle mass. HIIT workouts often include strength training elements, which can help maintain and build muscle mass. This is essential for a healthy metabolism and long-term weight management. HIIT and energy levels. Regular HIIT sessions can boost your energy levels by improving your cardiovascular fitness and endurance. You'll find yourself more capable of handling daily tasks and workouts. Strength and flexibility. The diverse exercises in HIIT can improve your overall strength and flexibility. By working different muscle groups, you'll develop balanced strength and mobility. HIIT and bone density. HIIT's weight-bearing exercises can help maintain and even improve bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and other bone-related issues. Immune function. Regular exercise, including HIIT, can support your immune system by promoting healthy blood circulation and reducing inflammation. High-intensity interval training and triglycerides. HIIT has been shown to reduce blood triglyceride levels, which can help lower the risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. Now, some additional examples. Here are 4 more examples of HIIT workouts to try. HIIT example number 1. Tabata training. Perform 20 seconds of intense exercise like jumping jacks, mountain climbers, or jumping squats, followed by 10 seconds of rest for 8 rounds. HIIT example number 2. Circuit training. Combine a 4 or more high-intensity exercises like jump rope, kettlebell swings, or box jumps, with short 10-second rest intervals in between. HIIT example number 3. Sprints. Alternate between 30 seconds of sprinting and 1 minute of walking for 10 to 15 minutes. HIIT example number 4. Burpees. Perform a 30-second interval of intense exercise and a 30-second or a bit more of rest. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, our number 1 HIIT exercise that burns the most body fat revolves around the benefits and effectiveness of high-intensity interval training as a powerful tool for fat loss and overall health improvement. HIIT is a form of exercise that alternates between periods of intense activity and recovery, providing numerous benefits such as increased calorie burning, improved cardiovascular health, and enhanced insulin sensitivity. A key highlight of the video is the number 1 HIIT exercise that burns the most body fat. And it is the burpee. This full-body exercise combines a squat, push-up, and jump, working multiple muscle groups simultaneously and elevating the heart rate for an intense calorie burn. The video explains how to perform a burpee correctly and its impact on weight loss. Let's recall on the main aspects of HIIT. High-intensity interval training stimulates the body to burn stored fat as its primary energy source during intense bursts of activity and even after the workout, due to the elevated metabolic rate. How to properly do high-intensity interval training. We also provided you with guidelines on how to safely and effectively perform HIIT, including warming up, exercising in intervals, cooling down, and exercising regularly with rest days in between. High-intensity interval training targets belly fat effectively, providing you with an efficient method to tone the midsection. Plus, we discussed the wide range of health benefits that come with HIIT, including improved heart health, enhanced calorie burning, regulation of blood sugar levels, and preservation of muscle mass. We also outlined some additional benefits such as increased energy levels, improved strength and flexibility, enhanced bone density, boosted immune function, and decreased triglyceride levels. Try our 4 high-intensity interval training examples for improved fat loss and overall health. Burpees, Tabata training, circuit training, sprints. We have seen the valuable insights into the world of HIIT and its transformative impact on fat loss and health. By focusing on the top HIIT exercise for burning body fat, you gain practical knowledge and actionable advice that you can easily incorporate into your fitness routines. Through HIIT, you can experience a multitude of benefits, from a higher calorie burn to better heart health, ultimately contributing to their journey toward better fitness and wellness. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts and experiences with high-intensity interval training. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.